Stanley do a lot of work at Knott's Berry Farm. He's one of the gentlemen I work with. He's a lot of fun, and so I told him you got to be here. And then, of course, Paul Marshall on bass. He's family. We all know Paul. Without him, I got nothing. Anyway, hey, Bart's out here filming. He's one of the guest artists, they call him, on Carmine's Country Corner. He's on there in a couple of months. Of course, John Palmer on drums. This is kind of a wild country band that appears every week on that little show that we do. And Jerry McWhorter, who was our original drummer in the Wild Country Band, kind of moved on, and so Palmer took his place there. Wait, I have to say this. A good friend of mine, Gary, just walked in, and his lovely wife, I'm sure Judy is here. Gary, I love you. And they came a long way. And Gary and Judy are wonderful people. I'll tell you about them later. Now, all the way from Texas, he's as much a part of the Wild Country Band and as he is the Sorrow family, is my son Charlie. We're gonna play like a set, and then we're gonna like switch some people around. And like I said, maybe in about an hour we'll hit the switch and go live, and then we'll start kind of featuring people there. Kind of make a show out of it. So you guys get to yell, scream, holler, come up. If you want to say something, come up and say it. You can come up and tell everybody on Facebook how much you love me, if you want to. But you don't have to do that. Go ahead.
No, you need it off. What? Imagine, no. Please don't touch it. I was gonna. No, he won't. I was gonna plug it. Right? Please don't touch it. Oh wow.
Everything's white.
Good drink enough to keep you off my mind. Tonight, the bottle let me down. And let your memory come around. No one true friend I thought I found. Tonight, the bottle let me down. Always had a bottle. How about that? Sounded good, huh? Because my dad played good guitar at work. Living on that journey every day. No, I don't take nothing the way it used to. I'm hurting in an old familiar way. Tonight, the bottle let me down. Tonight, let me down. Thank you. I like this band. Best band in town, maybe.
What happens when it comes together? It's like Scott Taylor.
Every time it rains, you know I run to my window. All I do is wring my hands and moan. Can't you hear me from the road? Can't you hear the Lord saying, boy? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? So long. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? The wolf is scratching at my door, Lord knows I can hear them lonesome moan. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Charlie.
time is it right now? And can you all still hear me okay? Okay, we'll go a little longer then. I want to let Jerry, we're going to have Jerry come up and play, and Spanky, and some of these guys. Mix it up a little bit. All right. Go on.
Go to Kansas City, come. Kansas City, come. I got some crazy little women that I think they wanna give me some. I'll be standing on the corner, 12th Street and Vine. Standing on the corner, 12th Street and 9. With a couple of breaks and a bottle of Kansas City wine. Well, I might take a plane, I might take a train. You know I'm going to say I'm going to Kansas City. Hey, here I come.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. Dead serious.
I'm trying to do
This
something.
boy
over
come a
here.
long way, I'll tell you.
Thank you. You're very kind. Very kind.
So, gee, I saw Mike Adelson's here. I didn't. He got here after I was on stage. Gary and Judy walked in. I said hi to them. So yeah, I'm kind of speechless because everybody showed up. So I really appreciate it. Oh, my daughter got me this beautiful sign for my birthday. I'm going to use it on the show. Can you all see that sign there? Well, my daughter Kim surprised me with that. Well, we have another one up there. Kind of, you probably anybody that saw the show would see the sign. And then, oh, Tim's here too. Tim, I have to say to you personally, whenever you're in the house, I feel safer. Okay, that's all I'm going to say about Tim and his lovely wife and children. Hey, oh, Marina. I'm thinking of Karina. You know, I saw you walk in and I was so busy, I didn't stop to give you a kiss, but I will. Hey, everybody, how about a hand for Marina? Hey, hello, family. Thank you. So, I don't know how the food's holding up. I didn't know whether to get food for, 50 people or 100 people. I didn't know what to do. So, but I think we got enough left, so everybody help themselves. Okay, Paul, do another one. We're going to do a few more, then we're going to take just a short break. I'm going to put a bunch of guys together. Let them come up and play. Paul, do another one.
Just like you, ain't got to go cold to roll down the line. My Lord, sweetest 1,000,000 miles.
give your ears a rest, and we'll get some other people up. And thank you all for coming. I'm going to come around and say hi to everybody. And after the next set, maybe 30 minutes, then we're going to hit the switch and we'll do a live show on Facebook. Huh? Oh, you went live already? They didn't tell me. Wow, I didn't play any of my good stuff yet. I didn't know it was on camera. Well, folks, welcome to Carmine's Country Corner. We're up here at El Carrizo, is it called? Chorizo Golf Course. And these people here, by the way, are very nice. They opened their doors, and they've been so helpful, helping me get the party going. So I want to thank Shayna and all of the guests and everybody behind the bar, and everybody that helped. How about a hand for these people? They really want to work for us. We appreciate it, guys. We love you. All right, so if we're live, I'll do one song, we'll then take a break and get the other guys up. Spanky, Steve Sabato, Jerry, get ready, you guys. We're going to turn it over in a minute. Hey, how about this song?
I hear the train come, rolling around the bend. I see the sunshine since I don't know when. Now stuck here for some reason, life keeps dragging on. whistle keeps blowing, it takes my blues away. Thank you.
So, welcome to Carmine's Country Corner and my 80th birthday party. It was actually a couple of weeks ago, but certain things came up with the family and stuff like that, and so we decided to have it today. But I appreciate everybody coming, and we still got more to go, so stick around. Hello, Jerry. Come and help me turn this thing off.
We'll be back in 10 minutes, roughly. Get yourself a beverage. Maybe some popcorn. A whole bunch more country music coming up. Hang in there. Come back.
Well, the store, what is it? Huh? Hey, hi everybody. I'm just checking. Sounds good? Really? Really so. But anyway, thank you all. Enjoy the show. We got anybody watching yet?
See right through there with the black hair and black like the shirt sitting down, with glasses. Put it right here. Somebody will find it.
Yeah, I don't understand it all still because it's a tough. No, that's good. I want to. I mean, I know what country, but I gotta find out if I can set my What do you like? What's that?
Yeah, brother. Is it starting the broadcast now?
We already did. I started it. It's still like. No, this. Now you're on. That's actually.
Sorry about that. I didn't mean to interrupt. Now I got the microphone on me.
Is there an iPhone charger around there anywhere?
No. Susan might. You know, they say 10 minutes, but it's always longer. So go get yourself another beverage. Don't go away, though, because it's going to be some crazy stuff happening. And if you like country music, it's going to be the good kind of crazy, not the bad kind of crazy. Anyway, well, I have you here with me. Happy birthday, Carmine.
Like
told me I really don't care.
Well, no, I do care, but what I'm saying is,
Shut up. You're getting up.
would you like me to bring my, I have my own. You can get some. Oh, okay, we can. I have a car. Perfect. That's fine.
I'll just play it. You know, we gotta kind of wing it.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm here for your birthday.
That's Jerry McWhorter, one hell of a drummer.
Check, check. One, two,
Yeah, but
check,
it's
check.
We had a couple
Yes.
one hell of a drummer. We got two hell of a drummers here tonight.
Well, I want the guys to... Test. Hey, everybody. I really don't have like a birthday cake. We just have a bunch of cupcakes, so there's not going to be any cutting cake or anything like that. So when you're finished eating or whatever you want, just come and grab a cupcake or whatever you want, and that's going to be the birthday cake. So thank you.
Jerry McWhorter and Carmine Sarver. Carmine was best man at Jerry's wedding. And that's another Jerry. Jerry's coming out of our ears. Carmine is one of 16 kids. We talk about it a lot. What's Paul Marshall? There goes Paul Marshall. He's a regular. Wild country band. Trying to get away. Trying to get away. Got it.
We're going to get Spanky up. Teddy Spanky up. And Jerry McWhorter on drums. Paul, I'm sorry to bother you, but if we don't have a bass player, we might have to work you a little bit. I might play some guitar. Then we're going to get Karen Core up to sing a few songs with us on this set. And then next set I'll get Tony, and please everybody stick around. Don't go home early, because we have a lot of good entertainment, and I'd like you guys to appreciate it. Check. Check.
Swan leave? He probably left it with him. Rehearse later. Looks like something's going to happen here soon. So, if you're a real drinker, get yourself another beverage. If you're not, just kind of hang in there. Maybe get on your phone, play some sort of weird game.
Check 1, 2.
A minute or two at a time. But Carmine's Country Corner is going to be bringing some musicians from all over Southern California. Enjoy.
Oh, yeah. Carmen. Carmondo. Check 1, 2. That's okay.
Well, this old smoking bar is something I'm not used to. I gave up my home to see you satisfied. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. It's not much, but I feel welcome here inside. And I've got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home and flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. Yes, I'm always here at home till closing time. Come on, Jake.
Thank you. I'm from Bakersfield, so I gotta do Merle Haggard music, you know. That's how it works.
Hey, Kim, change the color on the sign just for fun. I like the red.
It's a big job just getting by with 9 kids and a wife. I've been a working man down here all my life, but I keep on working. Come Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew. Yes, I drink a little beer and never sing a little bit of those working man blues. Well, I keep my nose to the grindstone, I work hard every day. Get a little tired on the weekend, but after I've done my day, I go back to work again. I buy my kids a brand new pair of shoes. Yes, I drink a little beer and never sing a little bit of those working man blues. Come on, JD. I said, hey, hey, working man like me. I ain't never been on welfare, and that's the one place I won't be. I'll be working. Gotta buy my kids that brand new pair of shoes one more time. Yes, I drink a little beer and never sing a little bit of those working man blues. Well, let's do this one more time. Sometimes I think about leaving, do a little bumming around, throw all my bills out the window, or get a train to another town. I'll be working as long as the two hands are fit to use. Yes, I drink a little beer and never find a little bit of those working man blues. Yes, I do a little beer and never sing a little bit of those working man blues. Thank you.
Hey, can I get Karen Core? Would you come up, please? I don't see your mic. Well, I know you got it somewhere. I don't know where. She's got it. There she is. Jerry, would you come up and play, please? I need you. Jerry Middleton. Come on, Jerry.
This is Carmine Corral and his crew. Jerry Mendelson, world famous Jerry Mendelson. He's from the Mendelsons, and we could really let him fly. So just so trying to keep it interesting in between. It's Jerry, oh Jerry, it's Carmine. Jerry Carmine. Decide how to get hooked up. The transition between
Check.
songs can be pretty interesting now, actually. When you get 5,000 musicians in one place like we have here, trying to get everybody in and out.
Hey, this is kind of a Carmine's Country Corner birthday show. My daughter Kim bought me that beautiful sign. It actually changes colors. Kim, show them some of the colors it'll do. Watch that sign, folks. Look at it. It's like magic. I love it.
Kim, is it live on?
Hey, folks, how about a hand for Karen Coben? I've known this young lady many years. Played a lot with her in the past.
Not quite 100 years, but
Well, not 100, but you know. And she's a wonderful songwriter, wonderful
She's waiting
singer.
for me to sing, so I'm trying to let him know she's going to stick around. Oh my God, small world. All right. I was at her wedding and she said yes. Carmine and Susie were there and I was at that wedding. I didn't know Carmine. I knew Susie as her husband and I played together as kids. I was a little old for that. Very little. I just saw Susie. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God. So that's Carmine's dance.
Jerry Mendelson's my roadie. Thanks for taking care of me. I got it.
check.
In here right now. So I know she wants. I know told her she can't leave until I sing.
This old town filled with sin, it will swallow you in if you got some money to burn. Take it home right away. You got 3 years to pay, but Satan is waiting his turn. This old earthquake's around, tried to clean up this town, but his ideas made some people mad. And they got their recruits with their green mohair suits, so please leave that we have. So the rain's gonna leak in the poorhouse. It seems like this whole town today. On the dirty porch floor, the gold-plated door won't keep out the Lord's burning rain. On the 31st floor, the gold-plated door won't keep out this
Thank you. How about that? We'll do this one more. Yeah, that lady can sing. Nothing's hard, just do it.
Here's one called Two More Bottles of Wine. In the key of C. C. We came out west together with a common mind. The people we had might have set the West Coast on fire. 2 months later, got trouble in mind. Oh, my baby moved out and left me behind. Well, it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Now the way he left sure turned my heart around. It seems like overnight that he up and he put me down. And then it's gonna bother me. I've been working and I'm too tired anyway. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Well, I'm 1,600 miles from the people I know. I've been doing all I can and up to the shore slow. Though I be in the sun all day, they're gonna sleeping at a warehouse in Seems like overnight that he up and put me down. Ain't gonna let it bother me today. I've been working and I'm too tired anyway. Alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Well, 1,600 miles for the people I know. We've been doing all I can, but opportunity's short. Gonna be in the sun all day, but I'm sleeping at a warehouse in West LA. Alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Oh, it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. One more. Yeah, it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Thank you. I'll see you. Happy birthday, Caroline.
Karen, thank you for stopping by and singing with us. We appreciate it. Uh, Freiburger, Pete, come on up.
Jerry, could you come and unplug this? We're gonna switch teams here.
As usual, between performers, there's always a little reset up. Sometimes you got to get a new guitar.
So I want to thank you again for all showing up. I know it's a little hot. They got the air conditioning on, but it's pretty hot outside, you know. But we're having a good time. And I know I haven't gotten around to say hi to everybody that's here, but I love you and I see your faces and I appreciate it. Ron Coleman's in the house, my good friend, and his lovely wife Deb. Charlie, you want to come up? Come on up.
I'd like to make an announcement. Adele is in the building.
We're going to do a couple more, take a break, and then I'm going to switch real quick and get, I want Phil and Tony to be ready. I'm going to get Tony up, do one, and then Phil's going to come up, play some harmonica with him. We'll get some of the family stuff going on. Karen, thank you so much.
Hey, whose birthday is it?
Peter Freiberger on bass. This guy's a good guy. Hey, let me tell you, all of you people out there that have Buddy's album, you know, this is the bass player that did all Buddy's songs. He knew Buddy well, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
You worked with him for quite a while. We had a good time.
I knew him well, and I still work with him.
That's right. Okay, what do we do?
Buddy is one of the many brothers that passed away.
You said you were in it. Wait a minute, I gotta get off the mic. Okay, so about 50 years ago, a friend of mine, Steve Hunter, was doing this little blues gig. Thank you. Steve Hunter was doing, JD, I love him. We're doing this little blues gig, and about a year into it, this gentleman walks in. He's got a leopard skin guitar case. We said, who the hell is this guy? Yeah, I mean, he walked in like he owned the joint. Eric Garcia, I wanted you to give him a hand. This man's a good man. Eric Garcia, we love you. He's a hell of a guitar player, beautiful acoustic player, good songwriter, and he owns a really professional, high-end. I'm going to tell you, he's got pictures of like, puts them on Facebook every once in a while, and he sends them to me. I think he does that just to bug me. It's like him and Barbra Streisand hanging out in the studio. People like that. He takes all these big people. Great guy. Eric, I love you, and I'm honored that you could come. And next time, come when you can play with us and have a little more time to play. He's on his way to another gig, but he said I had to stop by and give you a hug. So thank you, Eric. Great man. All right, are we ready to go? We still got Spanky up here. That's cool. Spanky, do another one. Play a couple, and then I want Tony and Phil to come right up after this. Please stick around, folks. We've got a lot more to go.
let's take it to the chorus, boys.
Here's a, you know what, Carmen? This is that record that we did.
Yes.
Gosh, this is a record we did maybe 10 years ago. With me, you, and Buddy.
Yep, we did about 6 songs.
We did about 6 songs, and the best part was the title of the record.
Tell me again.
Jerry's Buddy Carmen.
We named it Jerry's Buddy Carmen because Buddy did all the bass player with us. Jerry did all the singing. And all the, it was just a trio. I don't think we did it in the overdubs.
No, live. Oh, no.
It sounded cool. It came out pretty good. Creed.
Here's one we
yeah,
did off
Eric
of that.
Clapton, right. Okay, let's do it.
Hang on the one till all the excitement starts. 1, 2.
Oh, we need a couple more Woody Guthrie songs. That's what we need. That's what going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad. birthday, Carmen.
Thank you, guys. All right, we're going to switch it out real quick. Tony and Phil, come on up and get ready.
This is going to take a minute, so get yourself a beverage. You're not drunk by now, you should be. And if you don't drink, get yourself a glass of water or something. Lots of different things. I could go through a whole list of things you can drink.
You know, Jerry did so much work.
These are brothers of Carmen.
How about a hand for Teddy Spanky? This guy's a real pro. I love what he does. He's done our show a few times, Carmine's Country Corner. And we became good friends a few years ago. And he's wonderful. All right, Phil. Tony's going to do it, then you walk right up. And just share the mic with Tony. Sue's got something to say. I got to check with my wife.
So now then, Susie. Tell Carmen something. Usually it's worthwhile.
Oh, here we go.
It's worthwhile on the floor.
Tony, we got a stool for you. Oh,
He's got a stool. What's behind you? Did you see Eric Garcia?
Yeah,
You
that's
did,
for
did
Tony.
Did you see Eric Garcia?
Yeah, give him a hug and a kiss from
Thank
everybody.
you.
Did he leave?
He said he might not be here
All
very
right, I
long.
got to get this. Here you go, Tony.
Alrighty, hold it down, hold it
If you look
down.
on Facebook, they're on there right now.
Happy
No,
birthday,
on
Carmen.
my Facebook.
How about a birthday cheer for
How
Carmen?
do you do that?
How about a birthday cheer for Susan, who did half of this work here today? Susan, you're ahead, baby. Let's mark down Tulsa time one time.
You know the difference between a properly tuned guitar and an improperly tuned guitar? It's like the difference between a grain of sand and the universe. I just thought of that.
What a band! How about a hand for the band? Tulsa time, what time? The old line dancing music. Thank you.
Tony Sauter. Tony was the one that started me playing music when I was about 11, 12 years old. He was like a couple of years ahead of me. When he was 10 years old back east in Boston, he was on a radio show and played harmonica. Didn't you win a prize or something for doing that?
Yeah, I did. I got thrown off the station, but I won a prize.
Yeah, at least it was not like a video. But anyway, so he's been doing this a long time. Phil, come on
My
up.
brother Phil, with that, let's get Phil up here. You know, we've had some good times in our family, most of the time.
All the time.
And we've had some sad times, like all families. And recently we lost a couple of brothers within the last year. And the wives who were here today, and I believe Deanie is still here. We lost Sonny, and now we lost Buddy. So we're gonna slow it down just for 5 minutes, and we'll go back to the good music. And we are gonna play Amazing Grace in honor of our brothers and anybody in this room that has lost a loved one.
Yeah, we know what it's like. And you know, I don't want to put it on too thick tonight, but you're not going to believe this. We lost a brother-in-law yesterday. So for some reason, Jesus is coming after the Sauter family. So he must love us a lot because that was just yesterday. Because, his name was Marty. He was sick for a long time, so it's kind of a blessing. And
Where's the stage man? Yeah,
but anyway, so that's been a lot for us to take, but we're having fun.
A microphone for Phil, I know that.
That's all we need. It's going to be kind of quiet and subtle, and they do their thing, and you'll hear it.
Yeah, he went to mine. Yeah, okay. Phil.
There you go. There's your mic.
Kind of resetting. Amazing Grace. Harmonica.
I know it's around.
Played by Brother
Is there a
Phil.
harmonica up there? That's a hell of a mouthpiece. That's why you want to hear it to me.
So it's kind of a Carmine birthday, country corner, country Carmine something thing going on today. I'm not sure what it is. Hey, if y'all clap loud enough, I might even sing one, but I'm not going to promise you. But if you want to clap, I might. Nobody's clapping. Okay. No, I'm not going to do it. Okay.
We may give this to JD one time because it'll sound real pretty on the steel. Is that okay with you, JD? Yeah. Only ways. What key? Get the key of D, folks.
We got to make sure we got the right harmonicas up here, so we're all going to be in the key of D. I can't give my good friend Jerry Middleton enough thanks for all the work he's been doing today. I really appreciate it, Jerry. Keeping it going. Thank you, my friend. Those of you who don't know him, if you heard this guy play and sing, it's like another thing going on. It's just wonderful. I've played a lot of gigs with him, and he's fun to be with.
If we can keep it quiet for just a minute, this is supposed to be a tribute song, which it's going to be. I hope you enjoy it. We'll try to play it pretty quick.
Thank
That is the Saddle Brothers playing for my brother Buddy. Tony, thank you.
Thank the band, great band. Thank
Well,
you.
we had fun. So we're gonna get somebody. Let's take just a 5-minute break. Give JD and everybody here a break. We're gonna get Eric. Up to sing one. Jerry's walking back, but he will not play tonight. I love this man. Okay, let's take a little break, get a drink. Please stick around. Don't go home. There's nowhere else to go. We got some more music we're gonna do. So hang out. Tony, great job. Phil, thank you.
And we would disconnect and start over, but then you might lose us. So just, we'll be here in 5-10 minutes. And in the meantime, go get yourself some Alka-Seltzer because you've been drinking so much after I told you to get a drink every time. So get some Alka-Seltzer, get some aspirin, and in about 10 minutes, we'll come back. And there's much more. You can't believe it. You just can't believe there's this much talent going on. And this is like Southern California's country boys, and they've all done it for so long. And obviously the shows. So hopefully you're enjoying it.
Hang in there. We're going to be back. Are you guys still filming the live? You want me to say something? Here, I'll say something. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. We're taking a break, but please stay tuned in to Carmine's Country Corner. We love Buddy. God rest his soul, and happy birthday to our dear Carmine. We love you. Stay tuned. Don't. I'm singing. Don't you go anywhere. There we go.
What? Hey, they say, great job, Tony. I'm going to acknowledge it, whether it's with me or not. Here's talking to Nino, but he said Tony, so. Yeah.
Something here, something in the way he moves. Oh, is this live? Oh. Thank you. Hey, audience. Okay. Hey, audience. It's so nice to see you. Bart here, coming here from Carmine's 80th birthday party, and we hope that you're having such a splendid time, right, Tom? TP. And if you want to see a cool shirt, it's not this one. It's that harmonica shirt right there. Phil's got on. Oh, there's my mic. I'd like to introduce you to a friend of mine. This is Mike. Mike Stand right here. And Mike Stand is a little short-tempered today, a little short. But okay. A priest, a rabbi, and a lawyer walk into a bar. The bartender says, "What is this? Some kind of joke?" Is that okay? Is that family friendly? guitar on, I'd be able to sing some really funny stuff. But hey, you know.
Hi there.
Hi.
Adele.
I'm Bart.
Nice to meet you.
We're filling in dead airtime. Got anything wonderful to say?
Not yet. Just coming over to say hello.
So Jerry Mendelson, who's an incredible musician and a really incredible singer too, is taking care of the wires and teching this thing all by himself pretty much. And it sounds pretty damn good. Jerry should get a cookie at least. Something. An attaboy. Without him, it wouldn't be sounding like this. Hope it's good. All right, 5 more minutes. Feel free to fast forward if you're not watching this live. If you're watching it live, hang in there. It's going to be worth it. I promise you. That's Paul Marshall right there. A mainstay in Carmine's Wild Country Band. Bass, singer, man of 1,000 notes.
Oh, he's the singer. Yeah, nice guy. I thought originally he was No. I want to come out.
I know. All right.
WKW Carmine reporting live from. Oops, I just moved the mic and ruined all the sound.
Hey folks, we're going to start another set, and our good friend and everybody loves this guy, Albert Lee, just showed up. So stick around, and we're going to play some songs. Stick around. You in the back, few people left, so move up front, sit up here with us. Enjoy the party.
That's Albert Lee right there hugging Carmine. Albert's a good friend of Carmine's, and they've known each other a long time. He's a good guy.
Only got a glass of water, don't go anywhere. We're going to have Lee coming up.
You don't need a break?
We just worked out our duet.
This is Albert Lee getting ready. Red guitar he's pulling out there. I've seen that a million times on different shows.
Carmine Charles Sarno.
People that don't know about Carmine.
People that do know call him dumbass.
It's kind of like watching backstage, but being on the stage to watch backstage.
You get it? It says something? I bought this in Austin. Can I look at this? $10. But you have to go to Goodwill all the time and walk out with nothing to find a shirt like this.
If you get a chance, you got another screen available. Google Albert Lee. And, do a little deep dive. And if you can't do it tomorrow, he's an interesting guy.
Donna's playing your guitar. Hope it's okay with you. So hang on. Yeah. Yeah, 1, 2. Albert and I used to play with the Everly Brothers. And when they broke up, then we played with Don for about 10 years. Don Everly. So we'll do an Everly Brothers. I was the day I only stay around, and so I beg you, let it be. Don't take this heaven if you must claim some. Now and forever, let it be. Each time we make love, I found your real love. Good night. So never leave me alone. Tell me you love me, and that you'll always let it be.
be.
Thank you.
Oh, it was you? No. No excuses.
So I've got a song that's kind of broke out in China, Beijing to be exact. If you look it up on your YouTube, it'll say Rocky Burnett. I wrote it. Rocky Burnett in a song called Tired of Towing the Line. I don't know what the Chinese are trying to tell us if they're tired of towing the line, but so what? Ricky Nelson cut this thing, and so that's why I did it. Because Ricky Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Ron Coleman, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm getting yelled at. Is there any reason why I stand here? Look.
I want to thank again everybody for coming to the party. It's kind of thinned out a little bit, and that's cool. We've been here a while. Tom, if you could do it quick, there's a guitar and don't go too far with that guitar. And come on up now. Sorry, folks. This is Tom Wilson, Tom Paul Wilson, very close friend of my son Jason. Became my very close friend. Does a lot of work on Carmine's Country Corner, and so we just love Tom, and he loves to get up and sing, and so I got to try to work everybody in. I don't even know what time is it. I don't even know what time it is. 6? Oh, 6, a quarter to 7? Something like that? Okay. Well, not bad. We can go a little while longer. Okay, what do you want to do?
Put me up after Albert Lee.
No, I'll put you up with Albert Lee.
Holy smokes, there you
Go ahead and do something.
Let's go. Let's do Knocking on Heaven's Door. G. Mama, take this badge off
got talent, I tell you. Deanna, come on up real quick. Do one quick one. Dr. Kathy, get up and get ready. Don't be looking at your notes. Just walk up and tell us what key.
Let's say happy birthday, Carmine!
Thank you, folks.
You know, it's an honor to be here with you and all your wonderful people. So let's give it up for him. Yes, we need to sing
I said Kathy.
You actually need to sing happy birthday by your daughter, Kim. Give me an E-flat chord. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carmine. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Thank you, Deanna. Thank you very much. Are we still live? Did we do most of this thing live today? All of it?
It's all been live.
Well, my Facebook crowd got a lot of stuff to look at. I hope they're watching. Anyway, thanks for tuning in to the Facebook page. Don't forget to push like and share. And if you're watching this on YouTube, it'll be up by tomorrow, the next day. Subscribe.
Yes, like
Push
and
subscribe. That helps us out. We love you.
Carmine's Country Corner. Like and subscribe on YouTube. All right. How about a little Linda Ron stance? I feel so bad I gotta
You're wearing your locker setup?
all the time. Since I left my baby home behind. Working till the sun don't shine. I'm looking forward to happy times along the valley. I'm going back someday, and I'm one day to you. Well, the folks out there and the I wanna be with some of my friends, that's right. Maybe I'll feel better again. Wondering about you. I'm single, saving times. I'm working till the sun don't shine. I'm looking forward to happy times on the line. I'm going back someday, come one day to you. But the folks are far and the world is mine. Thank you so
very
much.
much.
Everybody
Dr.
else.
Teresa, come on up, knock one out. But I'm glad you came up because I was about to call you. We got to run some of these, not that we're running them through, but I just wanted to save enough time to have some of my friends to support the show and support us and me and everybody to come up and join in some of the fun. So this is Dr. Teresa. I called her Dr. Kathy because I feel like it's her twin. She has a very close friend sitting over here called Dr. Kathy. And these two young ladies I've known forever. They come to all the country gigs. They're great supporters of country music. And they come up to the show every week, and they sit in that hot room while we're doing our little hour show and sweat. But they're just as beautiful, whether they're sweating or not. So we love them. Okay, so what do you got tonight?
I'm going to do Hey, Good Looking.
What key?
D.
To your dog, folks. Thank you, Dr. Teresa. Bart, sing us a song real quick.
Heck, okay, I'll sing you some. How about, Matchbox with Ed?
Do it. What do we got, Sue? You got something you want to say? Wait, stop the show.
What?
Well, we're going to get my niece up, and I think she sings. It's kind of a family show this week, folks. I got a lot of people here, and I'm related to most of them. I forget what she sings, but when she gets up here, you're going to like it. Okay, do one quick. Bart Crew. I think I said it right.
It's just Bart, like Elvis and Cher.
Same thing. So, see that shirt he's wearing? He makes those. Now, he's got several of these, and he comes to do the show Carmine's Country Corner. He comes up a lot. He's a friend of ours. And he's always wearing a different shirt. And tonight when I saw him with that one, I had not seen that one before. And I've seen like 10 of them, you know. And I told him tonight, I said, you make these yourself? He said, yeah. I said, you know, you need to get a job. Because he's spending a lot of time making these fancy shirts. He ain't working. I guarantee you. Anyway, Bart, we love you. Take a break. We're going to get somebody else up.
I'll make you one for your 81st birthday.
I would love it. Okay. No? Good, I'm glad. Callie, that's what I'm thinking of. Get up here and do some songs with me.
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do.
Could be only you tonight. Been doing wrong, start doing right. You don't care that I'm and just stay here dry. You can't won't square deep. Cause you know the way I feel. Take all me and just stay here
JD's got to get going here pretty quick, and I worked him pretty hard today. Rissy, come up real quick and do one quick thing on your song, because the family wants you to hear you sing, and then we're going to let you. Okay, come on up, Rissy. Sing a song, and then we're going to take a little 5-minute break, and we'll see where it goes from there. But I got to get JD on the road here. All right, what key?
All right, key is C. I call the pieces. Happy birthday, Uncle Carmen. C. Key is C. C. Key of C. Like Charlie. My voice is hoarse, but I needed to sing for Uncle Carmen's birthday.
Okay, we're going to take a 5-minute break. Those of you die-hard fans that want to hang out, we'll play more. If the place empties out, the rest of them will go home. We have Eric Corzett Nosway Farmers going to sing the next set. And like that, we got a few more people and we'll be done. But we love you all for coming and thank you. Thank you all for coming and supporting us.
So, of course, if you're watching this on recorded already, not on streaming,
Is the
Go
live
ahead.
still on?
go ahead. Go ahead and fast forward. Fast forward through this, but it's kind of interesting to look at. Anyway, 5, 10 minutes. We'll be right back, and we'll have a close. All right, thanks. See you. Go away.
Thank you for coming by. Good to see you.
Did I give you my card? Call me. I'm gonna come over and sing at your studio.
Nice.
I was so happy to see you in town. Thank you for coming.
You gotta come over and see the new studio. You can.
Well, I will. Yeah, wait.
I'll give you one of mine too.
I'll call you. What are you doing with it? Just whatever, friends, people. You're making.
Basically, yeah. You're not making money in recording studios.
Next set, Josiah Patel. Don't be mad at me. Play all night at least. Have you ever made out? You guys are all great.
Bye, honey. I love your necklace. Oh, thanks, honey. Thanks.
Jenny.
I'm so sorry for your loss of Buddy, and I'm gonna. Your husband did a beautiful job. Thank you. I come ask Kim. She knows I show up every so often and play Carmine. Yes.
So
I love
that's,
these guys. I love you guys.
Pretty much right up. We'll get going here in 5 to 10 minutes, 5 minutes now. And probably that'll be us wrapping up, I'm guessing.
God bless, man. Take care.
Good to see you, man.
I'm glad you guys were here.
Phil.
We're still at. Well, that was fun. Hot dog. That's a Johnny Rushmore guitar, by the way, I'm playing. Let me give him a plug. Rushmore Custom Guitars. Yeah, he's still making them. He made that one. And others. He's in Maryland. Right, Dan?
I'm sorry, I'm not.
We got a date over there.
I gotta check my
Arrest this man.
I always say ours, but
We gotta go back to the base.
Look to your left. Look over here.
I should respond to your original message from 4 years ago. Sorry, I will. I'll do it. I'll do it. You don't? Do you look at it much?
No.
No.
I get little.
Well, I'll give you a call or something, a ring or something. I'll give you a ring.
Yeah.
I'll give you a ring.
Dial me up.
like I said, if you're watching this live, you can just fast forward. If you're not watching it live, just fast forward. Go right on to yourself finding someone singing, and you're right through all the breaks. Live, you're kind of a slave to us, but hopefully you're enjoying it. Look at that sign change colors: green, yellow. Yes, magic. All right, it'll be a few more minutes, and tell your friends, if you're still watching this right here, tell your friends, and then tell them, when it comes to the breaks, just fast forward through. And then you got yourself one heck of a show. All right, thanks for tuning in.
Check. All right, we need John Palmer, Paul Marshall, JD left us, and that's okay. We're going to have a few more people come up. My son Charlie, I want him up. He made a joke. I hope it didn't get it.
That was a joke. I'm sorry.
Albert.
So David Crawford
Okay, the last set's coming up.
and Jim Bowie are at that.
And it looks like it's
right?
getting there a little
You guys
bit.
heard this
You
joke?
got time to go to the bathroom or something if you want. And
Really?
What?
David Crawford notices all these Mexicans running towards him. He goes,
One more
"Are we pouring
when I told him I want to leave, go. Go home. It's all
Oh,
right.
I'm sorry. You guys don't need to do that. I'm sorry.
Tony Bryant, set up. We're going to go in 3 minutes. We're going to get going. You can pick JD's spot. You got your amp?
Turn the camera off, bro.
Settle up.
That's Dan Palmer. That dude can play any song, anytime, anywhere. Any song, anytime, anywhere. He's a big part of the Heart and Soul
I'm your roadie.
Wild Country Band. Carmine's record. There's Cody Bryant. Right on time. That's when Cody shows up.
How we doing over there, okay? It's a 3-hour show. Facebook ain't gonna let you. Split it up 3 ways or so.
Hey, Charlie. Well, he's not here yet. Charlie, are you around? Boy, it must have saved me tonight.
Sure. That's good, yeah. 2, 5, check. One.
Check. That's Eric and boy, it's this morning alone. Hey Jerry, you around where you can bring some of this volume down? So we only got a few more folks. I want to thank all you, what do we call them, die-hard fans, party people. They're still all here. A lot of people left, but my brother Louis hung on, and I think Tony's still here. So I want to thank Jerry Middleton, where are you? Okay, he's not here.
Thank you.
So tonight, when we started this party at about 4:20, we started playing. My daughter tells me that if they put the camera on live Facebook, it's like a 3.5-hour show. Well, who the hell's gonna watch this for 3.5 hours? But I bet it will get a lot of hits. So just we'll put it up and see what happens. It's gonna be fun. How about a hand for Teddy Spanky? Great player, great singer, good friend of mine. And you know, I'm gonna tell you, I asked these guys to get up and play, and they play, and then I hate it when I gotta ask them to step down because I just assume having. I love you, and you know that. So when I go see him, he gets me up and lets me play. He treats me like gold, so he's a good guy. And I want to thank Ron Coleman for coming up and helping us out. Sorry I didn't get to play well, Ronnie, but the situation is what it is. So, Charlie. Come on.
Thank you. I love singing Waylon Jennings songs, man. It's just fun.
You're the first person I've heard in a long time to say the word ornery right. Ornery. I'm not sure I'm saying it right. I think you're saying it right. In my opinion, I'm sure it's using the word until I got older.
There we go. I think it's on now. Thank you very much. Give a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
This old highway's keeping seems to bring no end in sight. To be the best, I just can't afford the rest. Gotta ride in the morning night. Call the house and no one answer. For the last 2 months, one's been home. It's through me. Tell the truth, you just can't see. Just get that woman holding on this long. White lines getting longer, saddles getting cold. I'm much too young to feel the stand old. All the cards are on the table, basement up in the hole. I'm much too young to feel the stand old. Tell Carmine. Temptations getting younger. I got one in. Different promise. Nobody's seen before. Or I take Christmas news. Lonely women and bad news seem to be the only friends I have left at all. And the white lines getting longer. The saddles getting cold. I'm just too young to feel the stand old. I'm much too young to feel the stand old. I'm much too young to feel the stand old. Thank you, LA County.
Mr. Carmine started, I figured that song was appropriate for this evening. Carmine, you don't look a day past something.
Well, I'm on borrowed time and I know it, so I thank God for that.
Every day.
We're glad you're here, Carmine.
You know what I always say, one of the things I always think about the good Lord, I mean, I think we're all kind of religious up here. I always figure, you know, he's been a lot better to me than I've been to him.
Amen.
I know that, so thank you.
Amen.
testimony. What do they call it when they get up and
Testimony.
get listen to all that crap? You know, talking about I went through this and I went through that.
I had a request for this one. Very recently, in fact. Well, I was born in the Southland 20 some odd years ago. Ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of my way. Never thought I'd back road, never on a railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida. I pick cotton in Alabama. I pick walnuts up in Oregon. I pick guitar. I'm a freeborn man.
They said for the last 2 weeks he suffered in the cloud. And it made a big impression on me, although it was a beautiful kid. They said he got religion again. I played was the best guitar player in town. But he was a hero and used to follow Clayton around. One good one white Clayton seemed so good to me. He never took that guitar without a taste.
feeling like you're not free. Tell me one more time, just so I can understand. Done it this way. It all hangs really good this way. I really ever want to give it up for Albert. Come on, Dan, play some for us. Dan, happy birthday, man. I seen the world with a 5-page span, looking at where it's on me. Tell me one more time, just so I can understand. Sure, done it this way. It all hang really good this way. Play us out here, man.
Well, I think I'm going to call it a night right there. Charlie, thanks for coming up from Texas.
Thanks for having me. I love you, Dan.
Albert, God bless you. Thank you for coming up and putting up with us. Tom, thanks. Kim, thanks. All you guys, we love you. Watch our show, Carmine's Country Corner. And Cody, thank you. Everybody, Jerry Reynolds did such a great job. I love him. And Danny, you got Jerry McWhorter, my brother over there. Played with him a bunch, did a great job. Thank you, Jerry. You guys sound good. I want to thank all the entertainers that helped the show move along. I want to thank all the people that drove out of their way to come to watch what the heck we're doing. Because I got to tell you, I don't know how much fun you had, but all these guys, we all have a lot of fun doing this. So, you know, we appreciate you showing up, and all be safe. God bless you all. I'm going to say goodnight. See you next Sunday at Carmine's Country Corner. Don't be late.